All right, so this is kind of the bit where I've got over the idea of could I make a Radio Globe. I'm super excited about the concept. The team DesignSpark seemed really pleased with it, and the thing I love is that they're on board with this whole sort of layered thing that it's about exploration, it's about curiosity, it's about traveling the world from the comfort of your home and exploring, and that you don't have to essentially use a mouse or a keyboard. You can just float around with your hands. And there's something, you know, I guess for want of a better word, poetic about that, which I really love. But aside all that good stuff, it's now moved very quickly into as you can see, the detailed design of how to get all of these things built, how to sort of make sure that it fits together. Uh, you know, what is the assembly going to be like for 3D printing? Because 3D printing is inherently different to designing for injection molding, say when I was at Dyson or something. You can take advantages of some things and then other things are a hindrance. So just working out all that sort of stuff, thinking about tolerances and how the build works together, which bits are going to warp in what direction, and then even quite recently, just also getting way in over my head on things like the code and where to wire things up. So it's really kind of just that long journey of having a cool idea, but now having to dial into the detail to actually make it work. So yeah, talk is cheap. Gotta make it work now.